Right, good morning everyone. Now I'm going to do some bits and pieces this morning just to help you. So I've got these tiny white pearls and they are small, I have to say. But we're going to be doing little bits of spray things. Now I don't know if these have got a hole in, to be honest. I don't think they have. No, they don't have a hole in, so I can't do them. But we'll use a different one. I thought they had a hole in. That makes that a little bit more difficult. But anyway, let's have a look. So, I'm going to need some of these. Let me just get my little tray out. I'm going to need a few bits like of those. Not that many, but you know what I mean. I'm going to need some of the new ones. I will be putting these online. I just need to take a picture of them. Some of my bling, my pearls. So what I'm going to do is just attach those. I'm going to add these to the lid. That way I've got the sizes I need. Right, okay. I've got some of these as well, which are the... Oh, wrong way I think, is it? No. Some of those. Now what I need are some bead caps. That's in the wrong thing actually. That needs to go in the other one. Let me see what bead caps I've got. They're smaller. You've got to have them so they're like elongated, which means length. They've got some length to them. So again, let me get a bit of wire. Where did I put my wires? There we are. So take a bit of wire. Take a few of these. Try and get them all the same length, roughly. Right, give them a twist. Wrap your wire around. Try and get your wires even. Give them a twist. Pull that. Now you do have to be quick. Add this in there like that and pull that down. Pull it into it. And there you go. Now that can be added to one of your projects. So that's really how you should do them, or you can use them with a little hook on that you can dangle them from something. So that's that one. The other one I'm going to show is this one, where we take a bit of wire. These are great for fillers for your sprays. Now I'm going to use a smaller bead. Oops. So I'm going to use 6 small beads. 6. Take it to the middle. So roughly the middle anyway. Get it as near as damn it. Okay. And then what you do is you twist them. So you've made like a little flower. Don't twist too many times. Then well actually I'm going to twist a little bit more than that. So we've got that. And you can round them off. All you have to do is put something round in there, but you can just shape them with your finger. Take your stem and again add 6 more of the smallest ones. If you want to do 5, just do 5. It's completely up to you. Now 1 more. Take them to the end. Now of course you will need to leave a little bit to twist. So I've got a little bit left there. I'm going to do a little bit more. And then twist. And twist that till that stem is twisted and reaches this stem here. So you can see that. Then again, take the longest one, because that's the next one to work on. Do exact same thing again. And then twist that again, so you can see what I'm doing. To there. And then twist all 3 together to make a stem. Now you can use, I don't know, whatever it is you've got that's round. That might be a little bit too big. Hang on. Like that. And look, you've made another little bit to go on your spray. So we can add things together. You know. So that's another little bit to add and make. And you can do several more of those. Instead of twisting it all the way down, you could do another couple and make like a branch of them. So that's those. Let's just move those out of the way. Again, I'll show you this one because it was the pretty flower that we did yesterday. So we can use a larger bead. It's throwing it down outside, literally throwing it down. Then we want to put these two together. I'm going to use this one. No, we'll use the pink one. Like that. Just the same as we did yesterday. Just reiterating that one to show you how we did it. That can go through there. Like that. And then through the bigger one. Or I could even do... No, that'd be too much. I should have used the smaller one first. But you can do these any size. Now we have a lot of these acrylics on the shop. So run along and grab them from there. They are a good buy. Again, I'm going to do what I did the other day, yesterday. That's just to put some glue on there and twist it so they alternate. And then we can just twist that basically. And that can now be added again. You can use these to add to them. See, like that. And just keep doing it until you're happy with all your trinkets that you're making. I'm just going to cut that one down a little bit. We don't need it that big. Remember to discard your spare wires that you cut off because they are dangerous, can be dangerous, put it that way. So we've got this one which you can put anywhere you want. We've got the little flower. I've shown you how to do that one. Yeah, let's make another flower up, and we're going to use the gold edged ones that we've got here. So just move those out the way a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to use these. So that's one. Right, we need to get some more wire. Shouldn't be using scissors for wires, but I have. This one, it's easier if you're going to use several wires together. Right. Now, I did mine a different way to stop it from dangling. I did mine like this, I think it was. Yeah. Pop your wire in, bend it over, open it up, and pull your wires through like you would if you were using wool or thread or something. See, like that. So that's the first one. So I'm just going to do another one. Just going to do 5 of these. That's 2. That's it. So I'm just going to move these out of the way, put them back. Now, just so you can see it, I'm going to use one of these and one of those. So I do need a pearl with another bit of wire. And again, pop the bead on like that in the middle. Give it one twist. Bring them two together. Add your first flower. Add your second flower. Did that go through? No, I didn't think it went through, Fee. There we go, it did then. Okay, what I'm going to do, see it's got that. So what I'm going to do now is just to glue that on. It's like a double layer. Alternate those like that. See? Pull that right through. Then what I'm going to do is to take all of these. Oops. 3, 4 and 5. Make sure they are all, apart from that one, the rest of them are the same length roughly. And then just twist them all together. And you see, you end up with a little pretty flower. I mean, it's not perfect, but you can play around with yours. I haven't got time to play around with mine. But you can do them in different ways and end up with a little flower. So you've got, let's put these away. Don't forget, you don't have to do these as circles. You could do diamond shapes. You just shape it however you want it to be. It's just another way of sharing with you how to do things. You know? So you can make those to add to your projects. You can make these little tiny ones. And they do look pretty when they're all together. So if I was to do that and then twist those two like that, and that becomes part, I can twist that back that way. I can add this one then, if I wanted to, wherever. I can even do that with it, you know, so it hangs down. So I'm just going to do that and wrap that around. It's just to show you, you can mix and match all you like. And then we could add that as well. I would put that there actually. Okay. And then we just snip off the section we don't want. So if that's going to be added to a spray, like I did yesterday, it would just fit in. And this can be bent down, pushed wherever you want it to be. Or it can be left and done that with. See? So it's just another way to make a spray and to keep adding different things. I'm just going to twist that actually. See, like that? So you make your own little sprays. They're easy to do, not hard at all, and you know, it's about having fun. So build on what you've got. I'm going to try and get these in pink. I thought I had some, but obviously not. But that's it, another flower spray, acrylic one. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.